She's the one that digs down, right? Hexes. Hi, baby girl. I love my baby girl. She's the sand girl. She's thinking about going under again. Huh? You gonna go under? You gonna dig again? Huh? You gonna dig again, Hexes? That baby girl. That was my baby girl, my big baby girl. This is my big baby girl. I love my big baby girl. Yeah, I love you. You gonna eat? This is Hansel back there. And they were talking to each other. Hansel, hi baby, come on, baba. Baba, come on, baba. I thought they were talking to each other and they're starting to like each other. Hi, baby girl. That's my baby girl. That's my Hexes. Hello. Hello. Hey, you. You wanna eat? Nom 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 nom. You hungry? Are you hungry? Nom, 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 nom. Yeah. Say hungry. Yep. Sounds hungry. Yep. Yep, what I put in there was little bits of celery, some surf and turf. Surf and turf's from HCP Hermit Crab Patch. I put the bugs, the gibble. Yeah, Hermit Crab Patch. I strongly recommend. They got some really good foods in there. And baby girl, I really like that. Yeah. See, I'm eating the buggies. It's a yummy. Nom 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 nom. Hi. Hey, you. You like to be in the spotlight? Hi, Hexes. Hi. Hi, you big baby girl. My big baby girl. Big baby girl. Yay. Hey. You're my tank leader. Yes, you are. You're my tank leader. The leader of the pack. There you go, baby. I know you like nom 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 nom. Yay. Hansel, you gonna come? You gonna eat what Hex is? Oh. There's Gretel and Lexi right there. There you, my baby girl. My baby girl. Who won't even come out and... You're just probably shy. You're shy. You won't come out on my hand when you follow my hand. You gotta let yourself open up to mommy. Yes, mama. Now, she's gonna want to dig. So.